so unusual because it's been Phil that's been doing the kitchen stuff recently, but I'm just here with a really quick recipe. It's protein pancakes. There's loads of different recipes flying around. This one's dead simple. Literally, I'll put the recipe on my little whiteboard, my new best friend. So, we've got banana. Even the banana's optional, to be fair. Scoop of protein, flavour is up to you. I've gone with vanilla, that seems to be about the safest flavour for pancakes. An egg, 25 grams of oats, a pinch of bicarbonate of soda, and then to serve it, really free reign, whatever you fancy. For me, I've got some blueberries and some yoghurt to serve. So let's get started. This is going to be a quick one because it's really, really simple. So I've just laid all my ingredients out here. Protein, porridge oats, yoghurt and blueberries in here to serve. Egg, banana. Obviously this is a great opportunity to use some. See that banana's ready for eating, it's really ripe, so a good opportunity to get those eaten, and that's your bicarb. So first step, we're going to take some oats and whiz them up. Now this particular is for making smoothies, but actually it'll do nicely in order to whiz those porridge oats up just to get them into more of a fine powder. So let's get that done first. 25 grams of oats going in there. So just weighing out my 25 grams of oats. Straight into the So there we go. The measurements here are giving you just for one serving, so if you're making for two people, just double up on the measurements here. There you go. So literally top on there, make sure it's on securely, and then we're going to whiz them up just to get them into what a fine consistency, like a fine powder. Okay, you've whisked your oats up. Now we're literally, the next stage is just to mix everything together. So take your banana. It's lucky this is probably quite ripe because all you're going to do is mash it up. So mash your banana up. Literally, all you're going to do, take a bowl, your oats that you've just whizzed up. Okay, scoop of vanilla protein into that. Banana. And then your egg. So we'll just crack the egg and then we're literally just going to mix all that up. Try not to get any shell in it. And then literally give that a good stir together and get yourself into a nice thick sort of batter-like consistency. If you feel like the consistency is a little bit thick, just splash a bit of a splash of milk in. If you feel like it's like a sort of batter consistency, you don't need to. Just give that a good mix. And then remember to put in a decent pinch of bicarbonate of soda. So, in fact, we'll get a teaspoon for this. Save fingers, teaspoon. So, literally just not even quarter of a teaspoon, just like a very large pinch. Chuck that in as well. Make sure that's well mixed. Okay, once you've got that well mixed, we're into the cooking phase. So that was literally your preparation. How easy was that? Okay, so I did add in just a splash of milk, just to get the consistency a little bit more looser as such. So we've literally got it ready to go. Pan, I've just put some olive oil. If you want to use coconut oil, fry light, whatever you use to cook in, coat your pan and let's get on with the cooking side of it. Okay, so position my camera up there so you can actually see what's going on. So let's put a couple of dollops of this in. Turn the heat down a bit, we don't want them to burn. So we'll put a couple, obviously I've got a big pan so I can do a couple at once. If you've only got a little frying pan, you can just do one at once. Oops-a-daisy. I mean, these literally should take seconds seconds to cook, to be fair. Smell absolutely fabulous. Just keep moving the edges, you don't want them to burn, so that's on the lowest heat now. Luckily, this pan is quite a good non-stick one. Do I dare flip it? That's the question. Oh, a little bit messy, but come on. Look at that. So you get the gist, guys. They only need a couple of minutes each side. And I've literally used probably not even half of that mixture. So we'll let the other side of those cook, and then we'll serve them up and show you what they're going to look like. So the two you've just seen me cook, there we go, on with a bit of natural yoghurt and some blueberries ready to go. So as I said, there's enough mixture left in there to do at least another two, so let's see what they're like. Okay, so let's talk about the macros, and what you can see in the background here is me using the rest of the mixture and making the rest of the pancakes. So I managed to get actually another 3 full ones out of that one mixture. And the mixture that I use there, this is the macro. So the whole thing, 414 calories, 32 grams of protein, 50 grams of carbs. And actually, I've just had that for lunch and shared it with my boyfriend, and we were both really full. So to say that was originally supposed to be a serves one, goodness me, it was filling. It was really nice. So yeah, you can see here cooking the other 3. And then at the end of this little clip, you'll just see the last little presentation with the yoghurt and the blueberries on. And I have to say, it was really nice. Enjoyed it.
Right, guys, I am back in the world's most organised garage again. I feel like Mel's laid down a bit of a challenge there with protein pancakes. So next time, I'm going to do a recipe as well. I'm going to make something for tea, so not just following Mel's lead and doing something for breakfast. Those protein pancakes look good as well, didn't they? I might have to give them a try in the morning, actually. Although I could try them now, I'm a bit peckish. But yeah, tomorrow I'll do something cooking related, and then at some point later on the week, I'm going to take you through a running workout as well. Something dead simple. It's not just going to be running 5k, something more like high intensity involving sprints and explosive movements. So I'll take my tripod down to the park with me and get that filmed. As always, thank you for watching us videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's anything that you'd like to see us do, just let us know in the comments or on any of our social medias. You can always find them in the description. And just keep watching, guys. Keep supporting us. It's really, really appreciated. So thank you. And I'll see you tomorrow.